This is a kid size Bluetooth microphone that has 15 pre-recorded songs, voice drop features, again Bluetooth so you can stream some of their favorite songs, any like echoing. I absolutely love it. You can test it, so this is how it is, and there's different speakers, different voices. It's super fun and super interactive. My 2.5-year-old is absolutely obsessed with this. He loves it, plays with it all the time, and we'll just make games out of it as well. So again, the Bluetooth feature pairing works extremely well. So you can see some of their other features that they have here. It's durable, holds up well, even if a toddler decides to throw it. It is very sturdy, very well made. Again, new pre-recorded song, just keeps it light, keeps it fun, keeps it entertaining. The battery life is a little short, but it's not, you know, too bad. Maybe if like 3 weeks, if it's constant daily play, that means it's on like all the time. The battery obviously will drain, but we've had it for a few weeks now and it's still the same battery, so that is good. Speaker can like kind of distort very loud noise if it is heard, but most of the time that's really not an issue for us if TV's not on and all of that stuff. So I absolutely love it. It's high energy, it is engaging, and it just delivers that rich music. So if your toddler is into music, likes to sing, it could be very interactive, and it's just really fun. It has different volumes, so you can raise it or you can lower it, and it's just overall such a compact mini microphone that we'll just bring with us on like road trips, to restaurants, not restaurants, to grandparents' house, not to restaurants, but totally up to you. So I absolutely love it, and it's such a fun toy if it is for a gift or if it is for your little one, or even both. It's just fun. The colors are, you know, changing here, which is good. It's sized well. It's 2 AAA batteries. And it's just a sweet little microphone, perfect for little music enthusiasts to get your little one performing with like a bang. So I do highly recommend this if you're looking for a fun, engaging toy or gift for any upcoming birthdays or seasons.